Leiz makes it easier. Get all you need for your dream home. Leiz International offers you one-stop purchasing experience. Leiz International is a world-class manufacturer and supply chain service company with over 50 years experience. We are global, professional, and focused. We have our own factories and warehouses based both in Shanghai and Nantong provinces and offices in different countries, providing world-class services and abundant series of products for customers from all over the world. We not only provide you excellent products, but also values beyond your expectations. Leiz has a full range of services: manufacturing, global sourcing, brand development, private label business, business services consulting, global business. Leiz International provides a wide range of products we can produce and help you source whatever you are looking for and always meet your requirements beyond your expectations. Our main products are auto parts and home living products. Auto parts: coilovers, ignition coils, wipers, radiators, CNC parts, car interior decorations. Home living products, outdoor and indoor. Household consumables. Home hardware. Lights. Appliances. Kitchen products. Intelligent home products. Furniture. Textile products. Fragrance products. Horticultural products. It is always Leiz's commitment to help customers achieve the best products and cost solutions by providing you our core advantages and values. Extensive experience with 50 years global sourcing. Lean supply chain management. Quality assurance. Lower costs. Consolidated shipments. Leiz International controls huge procurement resources with over 50 years of sourcing experiences. Whether our own factories or others, lean concepts are applied across the entire supply chain. These include, but are not limited to, Six Sigma, TPS, total quality, etc. In order to guarantee our products' qualities, Leiz International engineers and quality auditors are focused on ensuring every step in the process is reviewed and verified. No product ships without being inspected for compliance and consistency. Finally, Leiz International can consolidate shipments to ensure freight costs are controlled and competitive. Our main markets are North America, South America, Europe, Southeast Asia, etc. Our customer groups are dealers, traders, retailers, and so on. Our company has passed many certifications, like UL, UPC, CE, etc. Our passion for what we do is second to none. Leiz International is ready and able to service your needs professionally and provide you a competitive edge.